Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Laird Sentrius RG1xx Gateway and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first is troubleshooting. If this gateway will not connect to the internet, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it's not syncing with whatever devices it's supposed to, or if you're having any kind of issues with it not responding or freezing, a hard reset is a good troubleshooting step. The other reason you might want to do this is if you're trying to set this gateway up as a new gateway on a new network and everything like that, and you just want to wipe all of the previous information off of it, this will do the trick. So what you're going to need like a paper clip or something like that. You have these two little buttons here. This is the user button. This is the reset button. So what you're going to do the reset is, with it turned on, you can just go ahead and press and hold the user button. And while you're pressing and holding that user button, come in and hit and press the reset button. And just hold the reset button for a second, but the whole time you're pressing and holding the user button. And you can release the reset button, continue to hold the user button until all of these lights up here start to blink. And once they all start to blink, then you can let go and just allow the gateway to complete its reset, to restart and everything like that. And then you can set it back up as a new device.